so I will, Sir Priox will also share about our ROPA, no, yung mga acquired assets po namin.
You can call me Piox. So, Ma'am Grace and I also in charge of the disposal of the acquired assets here in Davao and around Mindanao. No? So kami po yung pinupuntahan, no? So cover din namin ang buong Mindanao. So what are these properties, no? So ito yung tawag natin na pre-love properties, yung acquired assets. So ang context is that halimbawa nag-apply kayo ng bagong subdivision or bagong bahay through subdivisions, tapos hindi kayo nagbayad, yan ma-acquired ni Pag-ibig Fund. And the same properties will be disposed through different or various modes of disposal. So, yan po yung aming in charge, no, or trabaho namin. So, prior to the disposal, balikan ko lang konti. No? So, pag hindi kayo nagbayad, nagiging acquired assets in two ways. No? Ito yung nakalimutan natin minsan. No? So, dalawa yan. Isang cancellation of contract ng ating from developer, and second one is through foreclosure, no? So lahat ito ng mga properties mas known as foreclosed properties, no? Pero dalawang basihan yan siya. So pag na-acquired na ni Pag-ibig Fund, the same properties will be disposed. Ito yung nilalagay namin sa aming website, available for disposal. But of course, prior to the disposal, we are giving opportunities also to all occupants of the same properties na bago namin ibenta, bisitahin talaga namin yan to invite them to legalize their occupancy with Pag-ibig Fund, no? So dapat applyan nyo, recover the properties, no? So if they fail to respond with our invitation, that's the time that their properties will be disposed. So we have three different mode of disposal. One is first public auction. No? Pag hindi siya nabenta during the first public auction, it will be proceeded to second public auction. And finally, with our negotiated sale. No? So kung saan man yan yung property, no, with corresponding discount, especially on the second public auction and negotiated sale. And there's more, no? There's more discounts na aming i-share sa inyo. So supposing, no, in the negotiated sale properties, we are giving more discounts, up to 40% discount of properties for those who are in the same group, no? Ito yung tinatawag namin na group sale. So for those who are having employees, halimbawa, no, na more than 10, no? So dito sa Davao, the average properties or selling prices of our properties are 1 million and up. So just imagine that 1 million property, bibigyan ka ng 40% discount, you will be paying only 600,000 with Pag-ibig Fund. So how to join or how to be paano tayong maka-avail nito ng big discount. So ito yung group sale program namin. So halimbawa within the same company na lahat is halimbawa interested to purchase with properties around Philippines ito, no? Hindi lang sa Davao, pwede sa ibang lugar, no? Sa Cagayan, Cebu, or even NCR na gustong mag-avail po, pwede po, no? So ano yung kinakailangan namin, no? So halimbawa within the company, isa lang yung aming hihingiin, no? That you are willing to issue an authority to deduct. Ibig sabihin, all the payments shall be made through salary deduction. Yan lang po yung aming kinakailangan na return sa amin. So if the company is willing to, no, avail that one, kailangan po natin mag-execute ng siyempre yung ating memorandum on understanding and so with the collecting servicing agreement, no, para maka-avail. So anybody po, so pwede bang grupo na kami, no? So po pwede, provided na registered tayo sa SEC or any groups, no, affiliated groups, we will be entertaining and we will be giving briefing para we could explain further, just invite us, no? So, yan po yung 40% discount. So, halimbawa, wala tayong grupo, individual, po pwede po, no? So, our properties that are available for sale, you could visit our website, www.pagibigfund.gov.ph. Pupunta po kayo sa properties for sale. I-filter nyo lang po per area. So, for Davao City, Panabo, Davao del Norte, and even around the Philippines, po pwede po, no? So, punta kayo doon. You could click for every property, you could submit your bid, and antayin na lang po yung opening of bids or offer. Pagkatapos, kung ready na kayo, you could receive messages from Pag-ibig Fund na kayo po ang nanalo, or kahit hindi nanalo, you will be receiving text messages po kay Pag-ibig Fund. So lahat po ng application kay ROPA Sales are through online. So we are encouraging you to visit our website, magkaroon ng bidder's ID, no, for the approval. Pagkatapos, good to go for applications, no? So again, dapat kayo po mismo, no, ang mag-apply. Pag-ibig Fund do not have any agents or brokers to facilitate your application, no? Dahil ang opisina ni Pag-ibig Fund nasa cellphone nyo na, no? You could avail that one, no? So, should you have any questions, especially on the disposal or concerns about acquired assets of Pag-ibig Fund, you could feel free to visit us, no? At the Price Tower Condominium, nandun po yung aming opisina, no? Sa lahat ng mga housing. Dagdag ko lang doon sa message ni Ma'am Grace kanina about the special interest rates, no? So aside from those mga interest na sinabi ni Ma'am Grace, the same you could avail also with acquired assets. So if you are, especially for those who are minimum wage earner, no? So kung nag-apply po kayo kay Pag-ibig Fund, tapos yung equivalent of your loan value, halimbawa, on Del Norte, no, nasa 500,000 lang, no? Tapos yung minimum wage earner, you could still avail the 3% interest rate. Yun yung sa ating affordable. So, kung yung kapitbahay natin is halimbawa manager, no, nasa middle income yung kanyang income, tapos yung isa is minimum wage, syempre po, hindi po kayo pareha ng interest rate at saka monthly amortization. But nevertheless, now, these programs of Pag-ibig Fund, no, is very members, kayang focus sa ating mga members, no? So, for the benefits of our members, yun siya. So, we are encouraging you, no, to avail housing loans from Pag-ibig Fund, not only for yung mga regular natin na housing loan, but of course, yung ating mga acquired assets with Pag-ibig Fund.